Adding a new student. To add a new student, select Students from the main menu. Then select Add New Student from the Action menu. Enter the student's first and last name. The student's email address is optional, but without it, the student will not be able to log into the system. The New Applicant checkbox will assign the student to the user group called New Applicant. For regular students, leave this option unchecked. The New Applicant user group is a special user group which you can customize for new applicants when you want them to be able to log into the system to fill out application-related data, but not other data. For more information on the New Applicant user group, see the appropriate help tutorial in the User Groups section. Next, select the track which you want to enroll the student to. For more information on tracks, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Year's Track Semester section. Next, select an enrollment option from the Enrollment field. The Enrollment field can be customized to your school's needs. For detailed instructions on how to customize the Enrollment field, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Student Fields section. The Enrollment field will always contain 3 system options: Alumni, New Applicant, and Enrolled. For this example we will select the option, Enrolled. For more information on the enrollment types, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Student section. Next, select the Semesters field to see the available semesters. You can register the student to 1 or more semesters by selecting the desired semesters. Finally, select Create to save your changes and create the student. You will now see additional available menus. Many of these student menus, and the fields inside of them, can be customized. For detailed instructions on how to customize student fields, sections, and menus, see the appropriate help tutorial in the CRM and Custom Fields section. The current page is the student's general page, as noted by the student menu, General. You will notice that the tracks, enrollment, and semesters fields, which you've just filled out, are no longer on this page. After creating the student, these fields are automatically moved to the student's program page. You can now enroll the student to classes. You can enroll students to classes in 2 ways. Either from the class itself, and enrolling 1 or more students to the class. Or, from the student, and enrolling them into 1 or more classes. For detailed instructions on how to enroll students to classes, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Student section, or in the Classes section. Select Cancel to go back to the main student page. If you can't find a student, check the filters, and set them accordingly. You can export the list of students by selecting Export from the Action menu. You can also email 1 or more students by selecting the desired students, and then selecting Email from the Action menu. For detailed instructions on emailing students, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Email section.